Last month I made $280,000 Shopify dropshipping. This month I made zero. And why did I make zero? Because I found something better, something that you can get started with $0 up front, and you can get paid as soon as this week. And if you don't believe me, jump into my computer for just 30 seconds. I'm gonna prove it to you right now. Come on. All right, what is up, guys? Welcome into my screen. What we're gonna do right now is press the refresh to prove to you that this is real, right? How are we making, close to $10,000 per day doing what I'm about to show you, right? You can see this is from today's date, right? 325 just a few minutes ago, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000, $1,000. You can see the transfer to bank account, $11,000 from yesterday, right? But that's not important. What is important is how do you do this, right? This is an ad right here from an everyday real estate agent, right? Every big real estate agent in the world needs ads on Facebook, whether or not they know they do. And the smart real estate agents, the ones who are getting a ton of leads, who are converting to home buyers and making them a fortune, right? Those are the ones who understand the power of Facebook ads. But the problem is those real estate agents don't know how to do Facebook ads themselves. So what they're doing is they're paying people like me, and hopefully you, if you realize what a ridiculous opportunity this is, they're paying people like me thousands of dollars every single month to set up very simple Facebook ads just like this one. This ad literally would have taken 5 minutes or less to set up. It's just using a photo that the real estate agent provides with a very small amount of text right here, and people click if they're interested, and those people opt in, they give their emails. The real estate agent does all of the work following up and calling those people and setting appointments and doing all of that. All you have to do is connect the dots from A to B and set up very simple Facebook ads exactly like this one. But the one hard part is understanding how to target people correctly to actually get people to sign up for these ads and to, give them their phone numbers and give them their email addresses to the real estate agents so they can actually become leads and make those real estate agents money. And when you make the real estate agent money, they're happy and they want to pay you more. So what we're gonna do is we're putting on a completely free training where we're gonna be breaking down exactly how to actually understand the basics of Facebook, which is all you need to set up ads just like this one. Understanding the basics and how to actually target for real estate agents, for insurance agents, for doctors, for all of these cash-rich businesses that need Facebook ads but have no idea and don't have the time to actually learn them themselves. And so what they're gonna do is they're gonna hire you and me to actually come in and do very basic ads just like this one and pay you thousands and thousands of dollars every single month. And the best part is it takes no money to get started. It only takes information inside of your brain, and you can literally get paid as soon as today.
And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to make $100 a day or more with Facebook ads. So number one, guys, is dropshipping. This is actually the way that I started making money with Facebook ads initially. Essentially what I did is I created a Shopify store, and it really doesn't cost that much. I'm going to go through the pros and the cons of each one. So it does not cost that much to get started. You do have to pay for the monthly plan. However, you can get a 14-day free trial to build your store. And then eventually you need to test your advertising, test your products, all that type of stuff. It's all about your ad and product, right? So if you're doing all this stuff, you're not just gonna make an ad and it's gonna work first try. When you keep working at it and you keep improving, you keep adapting, so you start feeling, oh, this product's not great, let me change the product out. Change the product, it's a great product now. Oh, my landing page isn't great, or my product page, I gotta fix my description. Oh, all of a sudden you do something and now you're getting, higher conversion rate, more sales, and you're making a lot of money, right? And you just scale that up. Once you start making money, you just keep putting that more money back in and you'll make more and more and more. That's essentially what the idea is, right? The number two way to make $100 per day with Facebook ads is actually a social media marketing agency. Social media marketing agency is when you're going to be running the ads for someone. So let's say you run their Facebook ads for them, you increase their sales and their business, you're increasing their customers, whatever, all that type of stuff, right? And they'll pay you, for example, let's say $1,000 a month, whatever the numbers could be. That's actually, you can actually make much more than that if you're doing a great job and they like you and you're bringing in a ton more sales. You literally will contact these companies, these businesses, local. They could be local businesses, they could be whoever, online, whatever. You contact them, you figure out if they're doing anything on social media. If they're not advertising on Facebook or even Google, what you can do is you can contact them and say, hey, I'm good at this stuff, I can do it for you if you pay me this, or I will do it for free the first month. Let me know what you think. Now the number three is when you have your own products or affiliate products. So you can have a funnel in place. So you can have a Facebook ad as the first part of your funnel. So you have a Facebook ad and you go to an opt-in page, the product page, wherever you want to have like a warm-up page, a product page, and they go into your autoresponder and then you make money that way. So essentially is finding that right combination. So once you have it down, right? Once you have those pages down, once you have the right product in front of those people, the proper targeting on your ads, it takes some time to develop, or you can get it right the first try. It varies, each person, right? You essentially can put $5 in, get $10 back, or put $5 in, get $7 back. Do the math, right? And then eventually you just put more and more in, and you're making more and more back, and you're just cranking out.
This video, I want to talk about Facebook ad agencies and how Facebook ad agencies make their money. Now, whether you're just interested in the business model or you actually want to create your own Facebook ad agencies, in this video, I'm going to show you 4 ways on how you can make money with social media marketing. Okay, so the first way to make money is with an upfront fee. This is going to be a one-time fee. More often than not, it will be a short-term project, roughly 30 days. You're going to help this company set up Facebook, set up the business account, set up an ad account, make sure the Facebook pixel is on the website, connect the credit card to the ad account, and you just get paid a one-time upfront payment to set all this up. Now, if you want this client on like a monthly recurring retainer, that is also possible. That is actually the most common way of doing it. That is the way we do it as well. So we get paid a monthly recurring fee, fixed rate, so not depending on how many ads we set up, not depending on how much time we spend on it, how many split tests we run. We just get paid a fixed rate at the start of every single month per client, and from there we set up all the ads for them. We constantly split test, we constantly see, okay, which ads are doing well, we'll scale them. Which ads aren't doing well, we'll kill them off, split test again, fix the ones that can be optimized, fix the ad budgets, all stuff like that. So basically, for all that work, we just get paid a fixed rate at the start of every month, anywhere ranging from $1,000 to $3,000 pounds, euros a month. Okay, so that is the second way of doing it and the most common. I've also seen a few people in the industry doing both. So they get paid an upfront payment to get everything set up, and then they get paid a recurring fee at the start of every single month to make sure that everything runs smoothly. We do not do that. We waiver the upfront fee, and we just work with monthly recurring retainers. Okay, now once you get bigger clients and you have clients with bigger budgets, you can also start requesting a percentage of the ad spend or the ad budget. Okay, so typically once a client gets over $10,000 euros pounds a month, you can actually ask for a percentage of that ad spend. So if you ask for 10% of the ad budget and the budget is 10,000, then you get paid 1,000 every single month. Now what we are trying to do now is for all our clients that are just starting out, we get paid a fixed rate, so £1,000 or £1,500 every single month, and then once that retainer gets over £15,000 a month, we ask for 10%, which is the same, but obviously once that gets up to 20, then our retainer goes up to 2,000. And then lastly, another results focused way of earning money with Facebook ads is getting a percentage of the revenue, which is basically like a sort of revenue share. So if you help a company sell $100,000 worth of products and you get 10% of that, then you get $10,000 for the work you have done. Now the problem with this is, especially when starting out, this can be a very risky thing because you're not getting paid for the value that you're putting in. It's not value-based pricing. You are basically getting paid for the results that you get, which can seem fair, for the companies and the business that you work with. But when you're starting out, this can be risky for you because if you do not get this client results, you do not get paid, and the time that you've spent, in this company with this business will be lost. So if you're more experienced, like us, then this is something that you can look into. But when starting out, I highly recommend just focusing on either a fixed upfront payment or a monthly recurring retainer. Okay, so those are the 4 ways of how you can get paid as a Facebook ad agency. I highly recommend just picking number 2, so having a monthly recurring retainer at the start of every single month, and then just doing the work for them. And then once you start to scale, once you get better results, then also transition or add the third option to it as well. So asking for a percentage of the ad budget, like we do. We ask for a monthly recurring retainer, and then once that budget goes over 15,000 a month, we ask for 10%. Okay, so that is separate. We don't add an extra 10% to our retainer. No, we just switch over. We then go to 10% of the ad budget.